Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone screen brightness issue. Many iPhone users have reported that they are facing an issue where the iPhone screen brightness gets dimmed every now and then. It is causing discomfort for iPhone users to use the iPhone. Some users were not able to see anything on their iPhone screen in spite of being in the dark area. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix this issue. But first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for disable the auto brightness setting. When the auto brightness setting on the iPhone is enabled, it changes according to the surrounding light. It means when the iPhone is in dark room, the brightness decrease automatically, and when it is under a bright light, it will increase. So disabling this setting might help in fixing this problem. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down, and then tap on accessibility, and then tap on display and text size. Scroll down to the bottom and then turn off auto brightness mode, and you are done. And the next step is turn off the reduce white point setting. When the intensity of the bright colors on the iPhone is reduced drastically, it appears to be dull and the users feel iPhone screen brightness is decreased. Also make sure to disable the color filter on the iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down, and then tap on accessibility, and then tap on display and text size. Scroll down to the bottom and turn off reduce white point. After this, tap on color filters and make sure it is turned off, and you are done. And the next step is turn off the zoom feature on iPhone. Many iPhone users have claimed that they have been able to fix this issue by disabling the zoom feature on their iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down, and then tap on display and brightness. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see the option of display zoom. Tap on it. Now ensure that the default type is selected, and then tap on done. And you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. When none of the methods are working for you, all you can do is simply reset all settings on your iPhone, which will definitely go to resolve this issue. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down, and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here you will see the option of reset, tap on it, and in the pop-up box you will see the option of reset all settings. Tap on it. It requires your passcode, so enter your passcode. Tap on the reset all settings option on the confirm pop-up menu. This start to reset all the settings on your iPhone, and after it is done, you probably have to re-sign into all the network connection for the internet, etc. And you are done. And the next step is try adjusting the brightness while using any phone. It happens usually that we change certain things and forget later, so the brightness factor might have been decreased unknowingly by you or some other user. Therefore, to adjust the brightness, open the control center by swiping down from the top right side of the iPhone screen, and you will find the brightness setting. Tap on it and then swipe it up or down to increase or decrease the screen brightness on your iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. Most iPhone users have experienced that restarting the iPhone helped them in solving many major problems that occurred on their iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down, and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see the option of shutdown. Tap on it and then slide to power off, and then to turn on, press the power button on the side of your iPhone for about 10 seconds till you see the Apple logo sign on the screen. After the iPhone starts, try and check if the problem is resolved or not, and you are done. And the next step is update the iPhone. The hardware feature on any iPhone works well when it is supported by the updated software, otherwise it will not work appropriately. So we recommend our viewers try the updating their iPhone software by first going to the settings page on their iPhone, and then scroll down, tap on general, and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. Once there are updates, please download and install them to get your iPhone updated with the latest version, and you are done. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.